How to fix hanging or slow performance issue on an Android device. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll guide you through on how we can fix your hanging or your phone being slow. So let's go on to the process on how we can fix that issue. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So one of the basic simplest solution you can use is restart your device. For that, long press on the power button and you'll be finding a restart option on the screen. You may just restart your device and that may help you clear the temporary glitches and improve the performance of your device. The next thing is you may just ensure that you have updated your app to the latest version. You have updated your software. So head over to the settings of your device and go to about phone section where you'll be finding all of the information about your device. You're just gonna look for software update here and if any kind of update is available for your device, just go ahead and install the latest version of your device and wait for the software update to be completed. After that is done, if any kind of app is having your hanging issue or slow performance issue, just head over to the app. For example, I would say Threads for now. So if my Threads application is hanging, I'm just gonna head over to the info section of that application and head over to the storage and clear the cache of that application as well, and also clear the data of that app. Because that may be causing the issues in that application. The next thing is you may just uninstall the unused app on your device that are there for no reason. Maybe they are there for no reason. Just long press on the app and delete the unused apps from your device. Otherwise, you may just manage your storage space, because one of the reasons may be because your storage is too fulfilled that your phone has started performing slow. So if any storage is available, just try to clear up your storage by reducing unnecessary files, videos and photos on your device, and that should probably fix your issue. And limit background processes as well. Go to your phone settings, and if any kind of app is running in the background, just limit it. Also make sure to scan your phone for malware. If there are different kinds of app available that scans your device, so make sure to download those applications and scan your app to fix that issue, which could be impacting the performance of your device. And the next thing is you may just restart your device by turning off the safe mode. For that, head over to the power off section, and when you long press on power off, you'll be finding safe mode option. Just tap on it, click on it, and the safe mode should restart your device and see if the third party app is causing the issue. And even after that nothing works, then you may just factory reset. You just head over to the settings and type in factory reset, or go to the settings of the factory reset directly and reset your device. So that's how you fix your phone hanging and slow performance in an Android device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.